watching Chiki Doodle.
Hello kids! Today we're going to learn how to draw a pineapple. Let's start with the head of the pineapple. It has spiky leaves. And now the main part of the pineapple. The little circles are like spikes, up and down, all over the pineapple. Now let's color the pineapple. Should we start with the spiky head? Yes! Let's color it green. Now moving down. I like red. Let's color the top line red. Shiny orange next. Neat and tidy. One circle at a time. Yellow! Bright, just like the sun. One line to match the spike with green. Down to blue, pretty blue. Then we come to purple. What a beautiful pineapple! Colorful as a rainbow.
Hi friends! What are we drawing? A mixer truck! Let's start drawing with round and round wheels. Then the outline. Steering wheel to ride the truck. Ooh, and the main part, the mixer. A few stripes. Are you ready to paint? Black for the steering wheel and glittery light blue for the window. Up next is yellow. Some more glitter. Shiny, shiny. Pink. Yellow. Black. mixer truck is done. Time to get to the construction site, friends.
Hi friends, what are we drawing today? Zigzag, zigzag, 3D stairs. The trick is drawing the lines diagonally, which creates an optical illusion. Time to draw the magic outline. Now, let's paint it. Color. Which color do you want to start with? Green? This looks new because it's blue. What next? Think. It's pink. And then, hello? It's yellow. Blue. Green again. Then let's pick orange. The 3D stairs already look fantastic. One more time, red. And the last step, let's paint it yellow. What color have we not used yet? Purple. Let's paint it all purple. The staircase looks sparkling and brilliant. This was amazing. See you later. Keep drawing. Keep it colorful.